Hi guys. Well, this is a video I wasn't planning on filming. I was just actually going to film a video to show how I made these little pockets from like cupcake, yeah, the wrappers that go around cupcakes, muffins even, depending where you are, and the little balls just come off the end of my pin that goes in my art glitter glue. Eek. Probably not going to focus. But yeah, so there you go. Can you see? That's the ball, and you can see the pin's actually still in there. So yeah, panic stations. But no. This, I'm guessing, is now going to turn into a bit of a tips and tricks video, because like how to remove your pin from your art glitter glue when that happens. Right, pliers. These are just, I don't know, these are like just grippy pliers as I call them, because they've got the teethy bits in them. Yeah. These are nylon jaw pliers, that's the one, because you know, this is like nylon apparently. These are jewellery making supplies. These are good because when they're not all caked up in glue and stuff and used for other things, they're for like running along craft wire and stuff without leaving grooves in it. Also, if you have any needle nose pliers, which I do but I can't find them, they would work as well. I have absolutely no idea where those ones are. They seem to have gone walkabout. Oh, here they are. As I said, they seem to have gone walkabouts, but they're here. Yeah, needle nose pliers are usually pliers that just come to a bit of a point. They're flat on the inside, but then they come to a bit of a point. I have two different ones, but they will all do the same job. And then you're basically just gonna use your pliers. Excuse me, this is probably not going to focus. Oh yes, it will. You just kind of use your pliers to grip the pin and gently wiggle. Move down a bit. Whoa, that is well and truly goobered up and stuck in there. I'm not surprised the end of it come off. I was worried about that. Using the nylon ones now to stop it from cutting the pin. No, can't get a grip with them. This does also isn't good with a dicky shoulder. There we go, got it. Wow, that was well and truly goobered up in there. But yes, so there you go guys, a bit of a tips and tricks for you there on how to stay calm if that ever happens to you guys, and how to remove your pin from your art glitter glue or other glues if that should ever happen to you. Wow, right, well now I need a new pin. Fabulous. Yeah, happy days. Anyway, there you go guys. I shall get on with this little tutorial that I was doing now. Right, thanks for watching guys, and I hope you found this useful, and yes, I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.